Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys a very unique recipe, pizza donut baked in the oven. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button right now, that way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let me show you guys how to make the soft and delicious whole wheat pizza donut in the oven. To start, I have a large bowl. To this I'm adding 1 cup of warm water. To this I'm adding 50 ml of olive oil or regular vegetable oil, that's fine. 2 teaspoons instant yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar. Go ahead and combine them well, and if you're using active yeast, just let it sit for a while, and once it is doubled, then you can add the whole wheat flour. Now I'm going to go ahead and add whole wheat flour, that is 350 grams of whole wheat flour, and to this I'm going to add salt to taste. Now go ahead and just combine to make into a soft dough. You don't want to add too much of dough to this recipe, just add a little bit at a time if you want anything extra. Now to this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil once I knead them nice and smooth. Now I'm going to cover this with the kitchen towel and rest it for 2 hours or until doubles in size. As you can see, it's nicely doubled in size. Now I'm not going to push down too much of air, just sprinkle a little bit of flour on the work surface and transfer the dough and just roll it into a smooth ball. And flatten it up a little bit into a disc and cut into equal size balls. I'm going to cut into 6 balls. If you would like to make the pieces smaller, you can, instead of cutting 6 pieces, you can make into 8 pieces, but the donut would be smaller and the filling would be lesser. Now go ahead and shape them nice and smooth. And I also line my baking tray with parchment paper. If you don't have a parchment paper, just use some oil to grease the sheet and then you can place the dough. That would prevent from sticking. Now here I have 2 tablespoons olive oil or a regular oil and a cup or a glass. Now I'm going to just press it down in the center of the dough to make a well. So this is the center that the filling goes in. So just make sure you have a nice size of a cup that would make good center. And now once I finish pressing down all the dough with the oil, the reason I'm using oil so that the dough is little softer side so it doesn't stick to the cup. Now here I'm using a pesto sauce. You can use pizza sauce, you can use hot sauce. The sauce is totally up to you what kind of sauce you would like to have. Now here I'm using chicken. This is pre-cooked chicken. I actually cooked the chicken and shredded them and cooked the chicken with onion, chili powder and salt. So simple. Now I'm adding olives. Just go ahead and press down when you add the chicken so that there is more filling. I've actually added around 2 to 3 tablespoons in each dough. Now I'm also adding the olives. To this I'm adding mozzarella cheese cubes, or you can also use grated cheese. You can use cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, combination of cheeses. Here I'm going to rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes I'm going to go ahead and brush with egg wash. This is 1 egg and 1 tablespoon milk mixed together well, and go ahead and brush it generously. If you don't like egg wash, you can just use milk or just a regular oil. That would be fine. That gives a beautiful color. Here I'm using 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary. You can use thyme or dried herbs if you don't have fresh. Go ahead and sprinkle on the dough. And now here I'm using kalonji. That is great flavor. Health benefits are great. If you don't like kalonji, you can use black sesame seed. Go ahead and sprinkle around generously. My oven is preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to bake this for 30 minutes or until it's nice and golden brown. Once it is baked, remove it from the oven and I'm going to sprinkle some chili flakes for heat. If you don't prefer heat, you can skip that. Brush with some butter, melted butter or even oil to keep the bun nice and soft. Now if you're a vegetarian, you can skip the chicken filling and make any type of vegetarian filling that you prefer. And it's super easy to make and super delicious as well. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment below. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.